Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Suno AI to create your own AI-generated songs from scratch. Even if you've never written a song or touched music software before, Suno has completely changed the game when it comes to music creation. You don't need a studio, instruments, or years of training to make a track that sounds genuinely professional. Whether you want background music for your YouTube videos, a fun personal project, or you're genuinely trying to write and release original songs, this platform can get you there in minutes instead of months. By the end of this video, you'll have your very first AI-generated song ready to share. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Create your account. First, head over to suno.com in your browser. Click on Sign in the top corner, and you'll be able to create an account using Google, Apple, or Discord, whichever one is quickest for you. Once you're signed in, you'll automatically land on the free plan, which gives you 50 credits every day. Since each song costs about 5 credits, that works out to roughly 10 songs a day at no cost. And those credits reset every 24 hours, so you'll always have a fresh batch to experiment with tomorrow. This makes the free plan a great way to get comfortable with the platform before you ever consider upgrading. It's also worth knowing that Suno has paid tiers above the free plan. These unlock more credits per month, access to more advanced models, and commercial usage rights, but there is absolutely no need to worry about any of that yet. For this tutorial, the free plan gives you everything you need to follow along and create your first song. Step 2. Head to the Create tab. Once you're logged in, click on the Create tab on the left side of the screen. This is where all the song generation happens, so you'll be spending most of your time here. You'll notice Suno gives you two main ways to create a song: Simple mode and Custom mode. Think of Simple mode as the beginner-friendly option. It's fast, easy, and requires almost no setup, and Custom mode is the option for when you want to fine-tune every detail of your track, from the lyrics down to the exact structure. We'll go through both so you know exactly when to use each one, and by the end of this video you'll be comfortable switching between them depending on what kind of song you're trying to make. Step 3. Try Simple mode first. If this is your first time using Suno, start with Simple mode. You'll see a single description box where you can type in the kind of song you want. For example, you could type something like upbeat pop song about summer road trips with male vocals. You don't need to know any music theory or technical terms. Just describe the vibe, genre, and mood. The more specific you are with details like tempo, instruments, or emotion, the closer the result will match what's in your head. So don't be afraid to throw in a few extra descriptive words. For instance, instead of just saying sad song, you could say slow acoustic ballad, heartbroken male vocals, rainy day mood, piano driven. That extra detail gives the AI a lot more to work with, and you'll notice the difference in the quality of the output almost immediately. Step 4. Generate your first song. Once you've typed your description, click Create. Suno will generate 2 different versions of your song based on that same prompt, and each one will usually be around 2 to 3 minutes long. This gives you options to compare and pick the one you like best. It's a good habit to listen to both versions all the way through before deciding, since sometimes the second version surprises you with a better vocal delivery or arrangement than the first. Don't get discouraged if the very first result doesn't blow you away. Generating music with AI is a bit of trial and error, and most creators find that their best results come after a handful of attempts rather than the very first click. Step 5. Move to Advanced mode for more control. Once you're comfortable with Simple mode, switch over to Advanced mode. This is where you get a lot more control over your song. You can write or paste your own lyrics, choose a specific style or genre, and even set the title of your track. If you don't have lyrics ready, Suno can also generate them for you based on a topic you give it, which is perfect if you have an idea for a song but aren't confident writing lyrics yourself. Advanced mode is also where you'll find the style box, where you can list out multiple genre and mood descriptors at once. Things like indie folk, warm acoustic guitar, nostalgic, female vocals, mid-tempo, all in one place. This gives you a lot more precision than Simple mode, and it's the mode most serious creators end up using once they get past their first few songs. Step 6. Use structure tags for better results. Inside Advanced mode, you can add structure tags like verse, chorus, and outro directly into your lyrics box. This helps guide the AI so it understands where each section of the song should go, which gives you a much more polished and radio-ready structure. You can even get more specific with tags like bridge or instrumental break if you want extra control over how your song builds and flows. A good tip here is to think of your lyrics box the same way you'd think of a blueprint. The clearer your labels, the better Suno understands the shape of the song you're going for, whether that's a quiet build into a big chorus or a stripped-back verse followed by an explosive drop. Step 7. Regenerate if needed. Sometimes the AI might not get it exactly right on the first try. Maybe it switches the vocal style you asked for, or the mood doesn't quite match. This is totally normal. Just regenerate the song a few times until you land on a version that fits what you had in mind. A helpful tip here is to change just one word or detail in your prompt each time you regenerate. That way, you can pinpoint exactly what's shifting the outcome instead of guessing. For example, if the vocals keep coming out too aggressive for a song you wanted to feel calm, try swapping in a word like gentle or soft-spoken and see how that single change shifts the whole feel of the track. Step 8. Extend your song. If you want your song to be longer, Suno lets you extend it directly from the song page. Click on the 3 dots next to your track and select Extend. It's best to only extend your song 2 or 3 times so it doesn't lose its original structure and quality. Extending too many times can cause the song to drift away from the original melody and feel disjointed. When you do extend, it also helps to include structure tags in your extension prompt, just like we talked about earlier. This keeps the AI anchored to where the song is headed, instead of wandering off into a completely different direction. Step 9. Use remaster on songs you like. If you have a version that's close to perfect, but not quite there, use the remaster option. This keeps the overall structure of your song intact while regenerating specific elements you want to improve. This is especially useful when you love the melody and lyrics, but want to try a different vocal tone or production style without starting completely from scratch. Think of remaster as a way to polish something that's 80% of the way there, rather than throwing out all your progress and starting over from a blank prompt. Step 10. Download and share your song. Once you're happy with your final track, you can download it as an MP3 file directly from the song page. From there, you're free to share it on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or use it as background music for your own content. Just keep in mind that commercial use requires a paid plan. If you're planning to use your songs for client work, monetized videos, or anything commercial, upgrading unlocks those usage rights along with extra features like stems, which let you separate vocals and instruments into individual tracks for mixing in programs like Ableton or Logic. For most casual creators just experimenting with AI music, though, the free plan is more than enough to get a feel for the whole process before deciding if it's worth upgrading. And that's it. That's exactly how you can start creating your own AI-generated songs using Suno AI, from your very first login to your finished track. Whether you're making music just for fun, building background tracks for your videos, or exploring AI music generation as a genuinely new creative outlet, Suno makes the entire process accessible no matter your experience level. Take some time to experiment with different prompts, styles, and structure tags. That's really where the magic happens and where you'll start developing your own sense of what works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.